Ever wondered what you would do if something went wrong on a cruise ship? It's an unsettling thought, isn't it? But don't fret. With a little knowledge and preparation, anyone can navigate these tricky situations with confidence. This video provides a step-by-step guide on how to handle various worst-case scenarios you might encounter during your cruise vacation. Imagine this. You're cruising along, enjoying the view, and suddenly, the ship starts rocking heavily. It's a storm. First things first, stay calm. Panic only makes things worse. Move towards the interior of the ship, where there's less movement, and hold on to something sturdy. If you're in your cabin, stay there. Now, what if you fall overboard? The first thing to do is to try to attract attention. Wave your arms, make noise, do anything you can to be seen. If it's night, try to stay afloat and conserve energy until morning. Remember, survival is the ultimate goal. But what if there's a fire on board? Again, stay calm. Listen to the captain's instructions via the ship's intercom system. Avoid inhaling smoke by staying low to the ground. Use wet towels to protect yourself from heat and smoke. And what about a medical emergency? If you or someone else falls ill, immediately alert the ship's medical staff. Cruise ships have well-equipped medical facilities and trained professionals who can provide immediate assistance. Perhaps the most frightening scenario is a shipwreck. If the ship starts sinking, put on a life jacket and follow the cruise instructions. Remember the location of the lifeboats from the safety drill. Stay together with other passengers and wait for rescue. Now, these scenarios might seem scary, but remember they're incredibly rare. Cruise ships are designed with safety in mind and have numerous measures in place to prevent these situations. But it's always good to be prepared. To recap, in the event of a storm, move towards the interior of the ship. If you fall overboard, try to attract attention. In case of fire, follow the captain's instructions and protect yourself from smoke. If there's a medical emergency, alert the ship's medical staff. And in the case of a shipwreck, put on a life jacket, locate the lifeboats, and wait for rescue. We hope you never have to use this guide, but if you do, it could make all the difference. Knowledge is power, and being prepared can turn a potentially disastrous situation into a manageable one. Before signing off, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with others. Your safety is our priority, and we want as many people as possible to be equipped with this knowledge. Don't forget to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Stay safe on your travels.